Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a group on ClickUp or in ClickUp. It's exactly how you're seeing it. But let's say you are having a business and you have freelancers working for you and you want to create a group. And they call it right here in ClickUp team. So what we're going to do right here is we go first of all to ClickUp, so log in with your account. And then after that we select right here teams. Then right now, if you can see, here's all teams. So I already have one team. But if you want to create yourselves a team, you can click right here on the left on create team, or you can click here on this button and click on create team. So let's do for now YouTube 2. We can also add a description. So this is a group for great YouTubers. This is just an example, right? So then we do create team. And then if you can see, we can add members to YouTube too. So I can click right here on this member from here, but we can also do skip for now and then click right here on add member. Then right now you need to fill in right here the email addresses from the persons that you want to invite. And then they can go to their email and join your ClickUp workspace. But keep in mind, most of the time, not always, but most of the time he sent the invitation to the spam folder. So please check out the spam folder if your freelancers didn't receive the invite. And then after that, they can join your team right here. This is how you can add a group or create a team right here in ClickUp. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.